When squeezing a toothpaste tube for a long time and no toothpaste comes out, many people often think the tube is empty and quickly throw it away, assuming it's no longer usable. This is unfortunate and wasteful. In fact, there is still a certain amount of toothpaste left inside that we can't squeeze out. To avoid waste, you can cut the toothpaste tube to access the remaining paste. If you haven't bought a new tube of toothpaste yet, this leftover paste can be a useful solution. Even if you have a new tube, you can still use the old toothpaste for many other household tasks. Today, I will share with you 10 amazing tips for recycling discarded toothpaste tubes in everyday life. Watch the video to discover these tips. First, we need scissors to cut the toothpaste tube into several pieces. Then, cut the middle section of the tube in half. You can see the toothpaste inside. There's still plenty of paste that hasn't been used up. We can recycle this leftover toothpaste. First magical use: cleaning jewelry. After extended use, jewelry may accumulate stains and lose its shine, diminishing its aesthetic value. Apply toothpaste to the jewelry surface. Dip a brush in hot water and scrub gently. Rinse it clean and dry with a cloth. Your jewelry will regain its luster and look brand new. Second magical use: cleaning white shoes. White shoes easily get dirty and yellowed, causing concern about how to clean them. Simply apply toothpaste, gently scrub with a brush, and then wipe clean with a cloth. Your shoes will be spotless and bright as new. Third magical use: cleaning mirrors. Bathroom mirrors often become cloudy due to residue buildup. Apply toothpaste evenly to the mirror. Wipe it with a cloth and rinse with water. The mirror will become clear and free of water stains or residue. Fourth magical use: cleaning kitchen tools. Scissors and knives in the kitchen can rust over time, making them unhygienic and harder to use. Apply toothpaste to the blades, as it contains mild abrasives that help remove rust without scratching the tools. Fifth magical use, removing grease stains. During cooking, pot lids often get greasy and dirty, making them unpleasant and unhygienic. It's very simple to clean them. Just cut a piece of the toothpaste tube, apply the side with toothpaste to the lid, and rub it evenly. Use a toothbrush to clean the grooves of the lid. After rubbing it a few times, use a wet towel or wet wipes to remove the toothpaste. This method can also be used to clean the range hood, stovetop, sink, etc. The pot lid will not only be clean, but also shiny. Sixth, magical use. Have you ever cleaned your phone charger? I believe many people overlook this. Phone chargers cannot be cleaned with water, especially white chargers, which are prone to absorbing sweat and dirt from users' hands. Over time, they turn yellow, becoming unsightly and difficult to clean. To prevent damage such as water seeping in or unstable charging, you can use toothpaste from the tube and apply it to the surface of the charger. Gently rub it back and forth, then use an old toothbrush to clean the narrow corners. Finally, wipe it clean with a dry cloth. The charger will look as good as new. This method isn't just for phone chargers. Small stains on switches or electrical devices in your home can also be cleaned this way. It's very effective, simple, and safe. After cleaning, they will look like new. Seventh magical use, removing lime scale. Toothpaste can also be used to clean bathroom faucets. After prolonged use, faucets often accumulate lime scale on their surface. Simply rub toothpaste onto the faucet, use a toothbrush to clean the narrow areas, and rinse with water or wipe dry with a cloth. The faucet will shine like new. The eighth magical use, removing long-standing yellow stains on refrigerators. After prolonged use, your refrigerator may accumulate dirt and lose its shine, diminishing its aesthetic appeal. Apply toothpaste to the surface of the refrigerator and use a clean cloth to wipe it down thoroughly. Your refrigerator will regain its glossy appearance and look as good as new. The ninth magical use, cleaning cooking utensils. During cooking, pots and pans often get greasy and dirty on the outside, making them unpleasant and unhygienic. To clean a long-standing yellowed pan, mix 50 milliliters of dishwashing liquid, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, and 50 milliliters of water into a uniform solution. Pour this mixture into a bottle and start cleaning. Apply the mixture to the pan and gently scrub the stains with a sponge. Rinse the pan under running water to tackle stubborn stains, and your pan will shine like new. The 10th magical use, ink stain removal. Stubborn ink stains on the table surface can be frustrating. Simply apply a small amount of toothpaste to the stained area and gently scrub with a cloth or wet wipe. The stain will quickly disappear, leaving your table looking as good as new. With just one tube of toothpaste, you can solve many household problems. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more tips. Thank you, and see you in the next video.